inside it. You're inside the bus. It's February 8 now and we are here in the SM. And it's Tahalia's 9th birthday. We're here in SM. Because she wants to roam around. Where do you want to go, Anat? Where? Oh, come on. Walk.
I want to go to the garden.
Wanna eat? You wanna eat? Okay, let's get in. Here. Umunag, mabalin.
Pero yung sir, video sir, hindi po yun.
Mabalin umunag. Okay. We are entering now the SM Garden here at the rooftop. Yeah, you can take pictures here.
Umalis ka. Pangit
Ito na, let's go there, oh. Come on, let's go here. Here, it's bright here. Sige, mag-selfie ka. There, Talia, let's go there. Oh. We'll see our house. Okay, we are at SM now and we're overlooking Dreamland there. That's on top of that mountain is where we're staying.
may fountain dyan.
Yeah. Hey, you selfie there, anak. You selfie. Okay, we are here at SM now, SM Garden. Oh, mas maganda yan ah. Oh, here. Selfie rin si Talia. The two of us now, you selfie. Wow, look at that.
Tara nun!
You want to go inside, Talia? Huh? You like to ride in the horse? Huh? Oh. 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 Hindi ka na pwede dyan. Oh?
I'm 1-year-old lang eh.
Hindi ka na pwede dyan, anak. Go.